Hello and welcome back to Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a healthy school lunch idea. For chicken burrito, I'm taking 700 gram of boneless chicken. For marination, I'm drizzling 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. One teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, one teaspoon oregano, two teaspoon mustard paste, one teaspoon salt. Now give your chicken a good massage. Keep it in fridge overnight or for a couple of hours. Now I'm roughly chopping some veggies. You can take any vegetables of your choice. However, I'm using orange, red, and yellow bell pepper. Avocados. I'll be using corn and black beans too. Spray your grill pan with some olive oil and start grilling your chicken on medium to high heat for 5 to 7 minutes each side. If you don't have this kind of grill pan, you can use a regular frying pan. Spray some olive oil after flipping your chicken. Now I'm crushing some black pepper on it. Your chicken would be ready in 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm cutting them in strips. Here I'm taking whole wheat tortilla. Now let's start filling it with some grilled chicken, avocados, peppers, some black beans, corn, some sour cream, and finish it with some cheese. Since it is a school lunch, I do not suggest putting too much sauce or salsa. But if you are eating it at home, freshly made, then you can add sauces and salsa. Now grill your wrap for 2 minutes on medium heat. Here is the final look. They turned out really good. For more recipes, subscribe to my channel. And keep watching Cozy Kitchen. I'll see you in my next video.